แป๊บเดียว
42 5G. Yung ano lang laman sa isang box. Charger. Pero walang headset.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, I just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the
Galaxy Note 20. Ang mahal, 29,900. Okay. Wow, new one. Gray color. Okay, maganda siya. Nice color.
Check the body.
Wow. Yeah, ate. Bagong labas nga. Bagong model ng Samsung.
Ako model sa Samsung.
Oo.
Ni model.
Kahit hindi ka pa nagbayad, pero ipinrasis na.
Mudagan lagi ko.
Umudagan ka din.
Tatay na ang passport na din.
Nanay copy siya mo passport. Wala pa yung payment, pero may ano na siya. Hindi pa kami nagbayad ha, pero in fairness. Binuksan na yung ano ba siya? Samsung 5G A42. New model ata ng Samsung. Yes. Sana yung masasabi mo ate. Nice ba siya? Naka-video na oh.
Gonna do vlogging too using this one. Joe. Wait, free speaker?
I'm not sure.
Oh no!
Ano yan like kape?
Freebie?
Free la? Oh? Honto? Honto? Uy, may power bank. Ting-ting no? Uy, maganda siya ate kasi may free power bank. Tapos, wireless speaker. Wow, ang ganda niya. Wow! Ihaloy ate, oy.
สองอันนี้ผมให้เลือกเอาอันไหนเลยอันนี้จะเป็นแก้ว
Ate may free.
จะเป็นแก้วมีแท็ก
Detac. Which one do you like ate? Okay.
May bag na.
Wow! Ate, you have four freebies. Oy! Wow! Oo, mas masabi ko sa freebies ate kasi they have free umbrella and power bank and tumbler.
Something like
Coffee. Wow! From Ditac. Oh! T-shirt also. Wow! It's a free t-shirt. Oh my God! A lot of freebies.
picture lang tani later.
Wow! Thank you. Wow! A lot of freebies sa atin.
Ang ganda. Mas nahabi ko sa freebies.
A free t-shirt like him.
This is Dita.
Ditac. Yes.
I thought this is
Piko ok man kanday may. Ko ok tura someone kanday may. May noyak daya niya.
Gamakuha ka na eh. Gamakuha ka na eh.
Dadidiri akong bakal. Ate, masaya ka ba sa freebies na kuha mo?
Very happy. Very happy with the freebies. Ang ganda.
No regrets.
No regrets for now. Pero no regrets na ipapadala.
Ate, no regrets kasi sobrang dami ng freebies. Worth it, diba?
Sa speaker pa lang saka sa
Power bank.
power bank.
Sobrang ano siya. Sobrang...
T-shirt sa suotin ko bukas.
Tapos yung umbrella, diba?
T-shirt sa suotin ko bukas. Baka extra small yun sa'yo. Very nice. Punta na kayo Thailand, guys.
Ano masasabi mo?
Punta na kayo Thailand. Dito kayo bumili.
Dito kayo bumili ng phone.
Ng phone. Ang dami-dami yung feelings. Nakaka-happy.
Okay lang siya na i-upload ko sa YouTube ko.
Yes.
No problem.
Right.
So, napipill up siya. Maganda dito bumili ng cellphone guys kasi madaming freebies. A lot of
Easy guys, I received a t-shirt. This is Dita. Papala ko si Stitch, ng Lilo Stitch. And then I also received an umbrella, a very pretty one. Good thing kasi medyo umuulan dito, like almost every day. This one, a very big 6-speaker. I like this. What do you call this? A power bank.
power bank.
Also nice, very light lang. And a little eco-friendly mug. See, this is so nice. Courtesy of Dita. Dita, salamat! Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Parang gusto ko tuloy bumili ng bagong cellphone. Ayun siya oh. Ang ganda lang dito guys, kahit hindi pa kami nagbayad. Pero, pinibigay na nila, binubuksan na nila yung phone. Ito yung phone na binili ni ate pala. A42 5G. Ang ganda. Gray color po yung binili niya.
Cut deal.
42 5G. Yung lang laman sa isang box. Charger. Pero walang headset.
Wala pa siyang casing kasi
Bago.
Sabi niya
Nag-ano pa siya, naglo-load.
kasi in-install niya ng bagong program.
Kanya na yung mga freebies. C2C IT Unlimited. Ang ganda. Ang daming freebies. Wow, may Samsung Galaxy. Okay.